Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and download Aion 2 on PC. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser, and I want you to go to this website, purple.playandc.com/download. All right. So you can click on the download the Windows version and just wait for this to finish. Actually, I already have mine installed, so I will just run through this process real quick. Once done, click on it to run the installer. As you can see, I already have mine installed. I will just show you how it's done. Just go through the prompts, install, and let it finish. Once done, you just need to create or log into your account. So click finish, run purple, then just wait for a few seconds. Then you can choose to log in with an email, phone number, QR code, or sign in with a different account. I will just use my Gmail for this. You just need to log in, enter your email and password, and then once done, you will be redirected back to the platform. Then over here, just select the current location to Taiwan. So let me see where is Taiwan. Enter your birth date. I'm just going to use any random ones in here. And then make sure to agree to everything, right? Click next, confirm, and then you will be redirected to another information they might need from you. Just wait for this to complete. Then Purple has now been successfully opened, the Purple client. You're gonna go ahead, download IN2 over this platform. And that's it. That's how you can easily download IN2 on your PC. I hope you found this video very helpful.